I'm going to do a review of the HT Cell airbag. There's another product that's very similar to this called the wind bag. And I have a situation in a washing machine where I need these guys to get something up. So let's go look and see what I need to do and how these work. Here's my situation. I have gotten the bolt off here that holds this assembly here for the agitation cover, and I have tried another video's suggestion of taking heavy duty metal wire here, like the kind that holds political signs and advertising signs up by the roadside, and you grab the both of these and you pull up, and it's supposed to dislodge this thing. Well, I worked myself to death to where I said, oh, forget it. This thing is so seized up so bad. And you know, I hit it with PV Blaster, WD-40. I went and pried and did all kind of different stuff, but it didn't work. And then I saw a video, a YouTube short, on somebody using these guys. And what you do is you hit them with a little bit of dishwashing liquid to get them nice and slippery. And at these junctions here, like the biggest, tallest, strongest spine of the agitator cover here, what I'm trying to do is get under it to check a part underneath to see if it's wore out, because my agitator is stopped turning like it's supposed to. So there might be a hub underneath that is wore out and needs replacing. And the other bag is going to go right in there, and then the third bag will go right here. But first, I'm going to get these guys out, so when the bags are being full and this thing pops up, I don't want these flying up and hit me. So let's get rid of those. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry all these different edges up a little bit, and with them treated with the dishwashing liquid, I'm going to slide them under, at least half of the bag going under, and then we'll start our pumping them up to get a slow, maybe quick release of this assembly here. So we'll see how they work. It's going to be interesting. I've got my headlight on now so we can see things better. I got those wires out that did not work, and now we're going to try these bags. The real challenge is to get a space wide enough to put that bag in and then slip it under. And I've tried using that wire that I took out, using a screwdriver, even a Pepsi bottle cap opener to pry this edge up, and it's just not happening. So we'll see what I can do. I'll keep at it. Okay, I went ahead and used one of these wires that I'd been using yesterday, and I couldn't get the bag right under this main rib here, but I got it pretty close and slipped under there in a good position. So now we'll try and put these other two guys in. Okay, I got the second bag in, and again I had to use this thing to pull the agitation cover guard off. I tried pulling up here on the main rib, but there was like no wiggle room to wedge this in. So I've got a third one to do right here. It's a little wider. We'll see how that goes. It's probably going to be somewhat of a challenge. Okay, I got the third one in. Let's have some moment of truth here. Spinning around. Holy crap! Look at that. I hardly did anything. Just one bag popped it up. Excellent. So, these puppies work. And therefore I highly recommend them. And what I was trying to get into is check this guy right here. This, I think it's called a drive hub. So I'm going to clear these guys out, pull that pin out, and I got 6 Phillips screws to take out, and I'll be able to look at this guy, see whether it's working or not. So that's pretty much the end of the video. These airbags work.